How to fix please provide the missing information first problem on Aliexpress. Now, if you are facing this issue in Aliexpress, you have two different reasons. First one, as a seller, if you are a seller in Aliexpress, if you have not provided your details correctly, such as the tax details or the business document informations, in this case you might have to face this issue. To solve it, you need to recheck all of the information that you have provided, including property and tax details that must be present in the Aliexpress selling account. And after you check that, just simply provide all of the information correctly and fix if there's any mistake. Then this problem will automatically be solved after you provide all of the necessary information. Now, same as a buyer, now this problem occurs whenever you put wrong shipping details or if there is some kind of mistakes in your shipping details. In this case, similarly as the selling account, you need to correct your shipping information. You need to check all of the information that you have provided is correct or not. You need to check the addresses perfectly. You need to check your phone numbers and zip codes, and after you check and provide everything correctly that is necessary to be provided in that section, this problem will be fixed. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.